Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Sony Xperia 10.6 for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside navigate to accessibility. It should be somewhere at the bottom. It looks like this. You can click on it to enter those settings. And the first thing we're going to cover is a display size and the text. When you enter it, you can adjust your font size to make it bigger or smaller. In this case, I'm just going to make everything as big as possible, including font size. Then there's the display size, and that way you'll be able to make everything bigger, like icons, also text, and all of the buttons. Then we have a bold text. When activated, it increases the thickness of a font. High contrast text, which adds a black outline to the text, and it's mostly visible on the home screen like this. That's the difference. Or actually, did it change? Okay, for some reason it didn't change, so maybe bold text also does it. No. Okay, whatever. Let's move on with those two enabled. Then we have the color and motion. Only thing I recommend to do here is enable remove animations. It reduces motion sickness when using your phone. Next thing is magnification. When activated with a shortcut, you should be able to see the loop icon floating around your screen. You can click on it to enter magnification mode, then click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on the loop icon again. And that would be all of the options I would recommend to change. Of course, you can adjust the settings to your like and just browse through them and find something that you like as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.